So if you know exactly where your crystal you're gonna place with, then you can, you know, I was thinking, why don't I put the butterflies on? Should I put the butterflies on? Or maybe no butterflies. Because no butterflies, and I should put butterflies on first. Some fur right there. Okay. Maybe the next one do butterflies. This one crystals. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and using a no wipe top coat on the top. The 3-step methods, no wipe top coat, condensed wool gel, and precision glue is really amazing. That is crystal best friends. It help so much for is keep your crystal stay on. And it's grab the base of your crystal so much better. I'm not using this. This one is super cute, but also let me try this one because it's have more colors on it. I am using is really cool. Is a mix jar designs right now from anniversary kit. I have it right on my side right here. It has so many colors that I really want to really set it playing it. That's nice. Can I get the other tray, please? On the other tray? Get me the tray, the different one, please. Looking at some other one. Another tray put in there. You know what? It's gonna look good too. Even if you're doing a crystal diamond dust pixie here, it's gonna look really good as well. I have the other one, but this one has some of the smaller ones that I can play with. I like the mix of this one. Cool. You don't have to if you don't like, if you want to do designs for the press on, you just want as some marble looks, you can just go ahead and do or you can do right on the top here. Just want to do something that's cool and different and see how it turn out, because I do like to see how it's turn out for a different, like we usually seeing something is so similar all the time, something that I'm gonna put the metal beads on. I am going to put some gold beads in here. Yep, some hair that we want. Some little fur right there. go. Can Instagram see okay? Facebook off. I think it's Facebook's a little bit off on Facebook. Sorry, Facebook. There you go. Facebook's, can you see? It looks like Facebook is really blurry though. Can Instagram see okay? It's quiet for me, everyone. Probably it's weird because it's different than usually. I was loved. Alright, I think I'm good. Oh, okay. I am going to key it for 60 seconds. Just wipe out on the side. Not like completely on the side, on the edges, and cure for 60 seconds. Everyone, looks really cool though. I don't know why I'm just so obsessed with this with the mega mix crystal. You can also get this one, it's completely separate, but also it come in the kits as well. I'm really like enjoying using this because you really challenge yourself getting all different cool design out of this. It doesn't have to be necessary like a solid AB. Alright, here for 60 seconds. Everyone. Alright.